What is up, guys? Breach445 here. Today I'm going to show off my entire Disney Infinity 3.0 collection. Now, 3.0 and 2.0. I don't know if I'm going to show off any power discs. Probably. I picked up 2 newbies last night. So, what I will be doing is I will be also telling you whether you should pick these figures up and whether they're worth your time in-game, and then you can see the models, and if you just like statues, just like this guy, I think I would buy even if I didn't have the game. Darth Maul and Boba Fett, they look awesome. But, so let's begin. First up, Darth Vader. Now, as you can see here, they use like a hard plastic, non-moving plastic cape. He's in the famous choke pose. That's what I call it. There's not much detail on the figure itself, and even they got the button control pin. If it'll focus. Hang on. So they got the button control panel wrong a little bit, I think. But that's just my opinion. So that's the figure. But how does he play in game? How does he play in game? His combos, while devastating, he's pretty slow with the lightsaber, which I would expect because of his suit, and if you know anything about the lore. So he's good. He's good. I don't know if I'd recommend him, though. Unless you just really want a Sith character, and even then I'd get Kylo Ren. Which brings me to my next character, and this will contain spoilers for Marvel properties and the other properties, Star Wars and Marvel and stuff. This will contain some spoilers. The Han Solo murderer. As you can see, they actually made his lightsaber look a little broken. That it's bent like that. It comes bent like that. And this figure, he looks very screen accurate. He looks like he just popped off the screen to come kill you. How does he play in game? Well, this guy has very kinetic moveset, like a very kinetic, very fast moving, more like I'd say a mixture of Juya and Ataru style form, even though forms don't exist, but that's what I'd say it's more akin to. So yeah, pick this one up. Really, pick this one up because this guy's amazing. You will not be disappointed. His combo breakers. This is probably the best Darkseid user I've had so far. Now, I don't know. I got Darth Maul and Obi-Wan Kenobi last night. So, just preferencing that. Okay. Next up, we have the character I just talked about. Darth Maul. Look at this figure. He looks like the Sith assassin that he is. I might be doing an origin on him. Might not. Look at this. They got the horns. Oh my gosh, this figure is amazing. He looks like he will kill you. It looks awesome. And then the double-sided saber. This is so cool. This is a really cool figure. I only have his breaking defense level 1. So I really can't talk much about his combative abilities. Considering breaking defense level 1 is exceptionally hard to pull off, although it does look cool. He basically does a General Grievous and spins his lightsaber staff, so that's cool. Next up is Boba Fett. I really like this. It took inspiration from the Kenner toy. As you can see, it looks more or less bluish gray, and it looks that way in game too. This guy can deal damage. This guy, oh my gosh, like level 0, you can take out the big guys, like the humongous ones that gives you a bunch of XP and stuff. That's what you can take out with level 0 easily. However, he cannot take damage at all. Like I said, the figure looks pretty cool. I really like it. There's not much else to say other than it takes inspiration from the old Kenner toys. But, I do like it. I think it's very, very detailed figure. They're all very detailed, actually. But yeah, so he's good. Definitely pick him up. Absolutely. His pause combos, the breaking defenses, are a little bit slow, so I wouldn't always try to pull those off. Or try pulling off level 1 because it's easier than level 2. But if you do get level 2 and then you get his finisher, they're dead. Next up, let's do Luke Skywalker. Now, I don't like this version of Luke. I don't like the white. I know a bunch of other people do. I just don't like it. So I picked up this power disc. This is the Rebel flight suit, and that looks amazing. And I can't show you because I have to keep Obi-Wan on there, because reasons, you will find out in a minute. But, I mean, I don't know, he's not even that great in-game. If you weren't forced to get him, I would say don't. I really would say